Team, we're gonna grill up a couple nice New York strip steaks on the new Ninja Foodi Pro XL grill and griddle. Man, that's a mouthful. Stick around. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm so glad you're here. If you're new to the channel, please hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. All right, team, today got a couple nice New York strip steaks. I had them in the freezer, defrosted them, and we're gonna do something I do on all my steaks. You've seen it on plenty of videos on my channel here, but I always dry brine my steaks, okay? Now, all that is just fancy talk for salting your steaks, okay? So what I do before I do any kind of cook, either I let it go for a couple hours like I did on these steaks, or I let it go overnight. I just sprinkle salt over each side of them, and what that does is help draw out the moisture, but it sucks back in that salt flavor, and it just accentuates the beef flavor in your steaks and helps kind of start that tenderizing process, right? So as you can see, there's been plenty of moisture taken out. The salt has totally been absorbed by the steaks. So basically, this is very simple cook. We're gonna use our smart probe because we have it. If you guys do not have the version with the smart probe, and this can be done on any of your Foodi grills. So if you don't have the new Pro grill and griddle, you do it on the XL, the original. Okay, so don't stress. It's just a simple cooking technique. We're gonna go by internal temperatures. We want a medium rare. Okay, so we're gonna use the internal temperature probe, you know, on this particular cook. But if you don't have the internal probe, get yourself one of these instant read thermometers. I'll put a link down below. Hit show more underneath the description. There's actually a coupon code, so hook it up. Always cook to internal temperatures, okay? So many people ask me how long it takes to cook something. It may differ wherever you're at. Okay, your machine may be a little bit different, run a little hotter, a little colder, whatever. Same with being out on the grills outside. You may run a little different. You got different fuels, whatever. Cook to internal temperatures on your proteins. Like I said, we're gonna take this to a medium rare. I'm gonna season it up with some classic steak rub from the best, from KosmosQ. It's a new line they got. I'll put a link for Cosmos website down below. But the stuff is very, very good, and we're gonna go ahead and give it a nice coat. Not gonna use any oils, any binders. These are pretty tacky, so it should hold on to the seasoning while this thing preheats. And we'll get it on. We're gonna try to make some crosshatch marks, kind of like what I do on my grill grates outside. We're gonna grill it for 1 minute, and we're gonna grill it top down, okay? Good thing about this new Pro grill and griddle, you can cook with the top open or shut. When it's a thinner steak, like a flank steak or skirt steak, something like that, go ahead and just cook it with the top open. You're gonna flip and you'll be done, right? Real thin steaks, you don't need to worry about it. But these are good inch thick, if not a little bit more. So we wanna kind of have the heat coming from the top and the bottom so it cooks a little bit more evenly, okay? So we're gonna do it top down cooking today. Come on over to my Ninja Foodi grill station, otherwise known as, that's right, my kitchen island. Let's get started. All right, team, we're over on the Ninja Foodi grill station. Let's turn on our grill. Have it on grill. It's already on the high setting. It's set for 10 minutes. We want to use the preset to get beef. We're gonna grill it. We want it on medium rare, so we're gonna use this knob to turn it to 3, okay? And then we're gonna push the knob to start the preheat. It's heating from the bottom, heating from the top. So the next thing we're gonna do while we're waiting for this to preheat, let's get these steaks seasoned up. Got our beautiful classic steak rub from KosmosQ. Nice chunky rub. Got garlic, onion, heavy duty black pepper in there. Give it a good smash in there. Make sure you get the edges, the ends. You want the flavor everywhere. Heck, you even get the fat cap. These are gonna have a little bit of time to sweat this rub on, and then we'll get them in the Foodi grill. We're gonna get our temp probe in the steak. So we want it pretty much in the middle. So we're gonna just take it one in and push it all the way in. It's looking dang good. All right, as we cook this steak, we're gonna do it kind of how I do it on my outdoor grill. So we're gonna set it on the grill grate at like 10 o'clock. You know, on the direction on the clock at 10 o'clock. And then after 1 minute, we're gonna switch it over to uncovered side and cook it at 2 o'clock. And it should give us the crosshatch grill marks that we like, right? So we'll go a minute 10 o'clock, minute 2 o'clock, flip, minute 10 o'clock, minute 2 o'clock, okay? And then right about then, we should be pretty close to being done with our cook. Obviously, we're gonna use that temp probe to make sure we're at a medium rare. The first 4 minutes are gonna be us cooking and flipping, okay? Definitely gotta love that sizzle on there. That grill grate hatch marks looking really good.
Not so much on that one, but that's okay. That's okay.
Minutes up. Let's give it another rotation. Make sure you got contact with that grill grate. Okay, after the next minute, we're just gonna let it finish up to the target temperature of medium rare. We'll pull them out, let them rest. It'll take it over the top. We'll be good to go. Okay, so this is the last time we're seeing it until it gets done. All right, team, it's ready to roll. We hit our target temperature. Pull these off, let them rest, and then we'll cut into them and give it a try. Got a little close up for you. All right, let's get them off and let them rest. Team, we're ready to give this bad boy a try. Medium rare, pretty dang close, nice and pink. What can I say? That's a good tasting steak. I mean, simple, to the point, cooked in internal temperatures. Can't beat a New York strip. Even though ribeyes will always be my favorite, these New York strips can give it a run for its money for sure. Listen, if you guys are interested in getting yourself one of these new Ninja Pro XL Foodi Grill and Griddles, yeah, hit the link down below to Ninja Kitchen. It doesn't cost you anything more to use it, but it helps out the channel. And it lets Ninja know I'm working for him. Okay. If you want to get yourself some of the knives, cutting boards, merch, any of that stuff, it's all down below. Hit show more underneath the video, and it goes to the video description. If you haven't already, hit that join button and become part of CJ's crew here for real on YouTube. Get your name at the end of the video on the scroll. Be forever immortalized on my videos. There are other options, other tiers on there to get you a little bit more involved with the channel. Make sure you join that. Okay, that's it for this week. I hope y'all have a wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.